Hi there everyone, welcome to DM Carvies. Today we're driving a 2021 Audi S5 Sportback Premium on the channel, and this is the Turbo Blue, and this was once my car. Let's fire it up. Now, in many S5 reviews I do always mention that I had a Turbo Blue S5, and this is the specific one, this is the car. This was once my car. Now it's totally wild that I came across her at all. Never thought that was gonna happen, but there she is. And what's even more surprising is that in over 4 years, this car has not changed a bit. It still looks just as beautiful. The color shines, and great job to the previous owner. Whoever it was, they actually kept this car up in really good shape. Like, it doesn't differ from at all from when I had it. It still looks just as sharp. Now, in today's drive, I'm not gonna go too much into the details because, I mean, I've done so many of these reviews. Just wanna enjoy driving this car. I feel like I'm, back in my early 20s again. It feels like this was all yesterday, honestly. But as wild as it sounds, it's been over 4 years. A good bit over 4 years, actually. Yeah, the owners have definitely done a phenomenal job keeping this car up. Like, still feels like a brand new vehicle off the showroom. Here we have a 3.0T engine. If you want to have a more detailed review about the S5 and more about its features, then just go into any of my S5 reviews. I cover everything. As you can see, we got some wear here on the side. Also, no chrome here on the seats. It's a little bit shiny, needs to be cleaned. But beside that, all in all, with a little wear on the side of the wheel, not bad. Now, this one does not have navigation. It does not have any of these features. It does have a simple, fairly low resolution camera with big distortions, like this is all distorted. Dual zone climate. Headliner's in good shape. So that's nice. But let's start to head out. Now, I will not be doing a lot of talking today because what's the point? I've reviewed this car so many times already. Woo! Also, I haven't realized how small it is. It's like tiny inside. Of course, we're gonna go to dynamic mode. That's the fun mode. Haha. Now, this one does not have the Sport exhaust resonator, so there's no real like big pops or anything here unless you're downshifting. But this is crazy. Everything still works, and after almost 5 years, still feels like a new car. just a peppy car. Very peppy car. Still feels stock to me. I don't feel any acceleration difference versus stock. Very nice. That's 580. Really nice into the turns. Although, kind of feel when you're going too fast, as if it's like gonna go off rails for a sec. Yeah. Yes. Also these cars, they do feel a little bit bouncy. When you're going over bumps and stuff, you can definitely feel it. Now I know you all want to see the acceleration on this baby, so that's exactly what we're gonna try. See how quick she is. I sure am curious. Gotta say, on the highway, this car does really well. It has like that torquey middle range pickup. It just moves so well. Really fun car to drive. Now, once you hit like the high triple speeds, that's where things start to get a little bit floaty, although, you know, still very good. This one does not have the S dynamic package, no active rear, or whatever it's called, the sports rear differential. It doesn't have any of this. But nevertheless, very nice. For 99% of the driving, you don't need anything more. This is already plenty. And because this is a low to the ground vehicle and you are hugged by very narrow, stiffer seats, you feel way more direct performance than you would in, per se, like a luxury G class. Well, I mean like GL class, like a GL63. You won't feel as much in those cars because they're much more, I'd say, smooth to the feel. The seats are softer and they sit higher up, so everything doesn't move as quickly as when you're down low to the ground. So there's that. Let's do one more little quick pull over here. She really moves well. Well, folks, this summarizes today's test drive. I hope you all had a lot of fun here with me. It was definitely cool to drive a car I once owned.
Red light, camera ahead.
But make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And till next time.